Hello, you guys. Welcome to another Stash Smash Saturday. Rebecca and I took a short hiatus in June, so we are back full swing in July. Allison Craft Capture Life Echo Park is what I worked on last week, so I got to keep working on it this week because I still have some papers left over. If you missed me going through my 7 items this month from Rebecca, I have to use hexagons, doodly lines, photos with at least 3 mats, a stamped title, older cut file, pocket cards, and sequins. So with this Allison Craft collection, it's just bright and colorful. I love it. It's from 2014, by the way. Is old. So I just got a sticker sheet and then some papers. So I have some papers left. This is now going to be the last 12 by 12 I have left because I'm super excited. I used a cut file I have in my stash that I have from Creative Cuts Club from 2020. So it's old in my book in that sense that it's been cut since then, September of 2020. And it says, "Love you to the moon and back." This cut file is created by Auntie Floss Designs. I will try to find a link for you guys, either an Etsy shop, I think that's pretty much what it is, and let you know and have it linked down below. But I went ahead and backed the cut file with a bunch of the scraps I had, and I'm going to use this background paper. This is the damask paper. So it's because it's damask on this side, but this side, it's this beautiful like bokeh lights print. I love it. I have that, and then I have this adorable photo of my son wearing my husband's outfit. He wore one of mine, and he wore one of my husband's, and so we took pictures of him in it. So I backed some of the cut file with some of the pocket cards that were in this collection. That's one of the reasons I use this collection, because one of my things is pocket cards. I'm also going to back this photo with some pocket cards, so I'm going to back my photo yet, and with this Creative Cuts Club from September 2020. That's what I'm trying to use up, is all these cut files I've had cut for a while now. You got a lot of like star embellishments and these beautiful star sequins from Spiegel Mom Scrap. So I have an idea of what I'm going to do. I think I'm just going to literally put blobs of glue, pour down the sequins, and we'll just have blobs of shimmer and shine. That's the best I can do. That's my thought. I thought it might be kind of neat, almost like mixed media, but using sequins. I was debating if I should do some packaging technique first. I don't know. But I was gonna start layering some of these pocket cards behind my photos here. So I got this yellow one, and oh yeah, I was gonna cut these apart because I was gonna use all 3 of these to back my photo. And to me, this counts as layering 3+ photos behind, or 3+ layers behind your photo. Even if they're not full layers, it's still a layer, right? Right. The back side of this paper is all the strips. So the cut apart sheet, what's kind of fun about what they used to do, and I think they still do on some things, but not everything, is they would do a cut apart sheet on the back of like the here's what's in this package sheet, which I love. Like, that's such a good idea. That way it's not wasted. See? I was gonna do maybe the black. There we go. Because then I can toss that. All right. We're making some headway. And then I was going to tuck. Good. I'm glad I did that star because I trimmed down my photo. I was going to tuck this like so. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this to the photo. And I think we'll just do a black doodly border around. Ooh, we could even doodle some little yep, you heard me. Things. Okay. So let me, I don't know if I want to do any other mixed media. I think we'll just do doodly border, which I kind of want to do in like a gray. Do I have a dark gray? I do in my markers. It's just like a charcoal. But I really like the idea of doing just some blobs. So like a blob over here, a blob over here. Kind of like where there would be clusters is what I'm thinking. Do I have a palette knife I can spread this with? I do. Okay. So I'm going to show you a little bit and then I'll go ahead and do this by myself without you having to watch. And these are really fine sequins, so it should essentially work how I'm thinking it should work. Should have stuck down like another sheet of paper because the sequins on this mat are just impossible to get up. But I kind of want to just Yep. Okay. Turning into a disaster. I'll be back when after I clean this. All right. Now that hell is over, I do like the way it turned out. Yeah, I forget that this silicone mat is the worst combination with anything that sticks. It's great because it helps keep things from sliding, but oh man, that was, that was painful. It was way longer than I wanted it to take. But I used all those sequins up. In that kit as well, there were these plastic resin something little stars. And so I think I'm going to add those as well. We're going to sprinkle those around. I just need to figure out a place to journal. Because this one does need a little bit of journaling to explain what he's wearing. Some random sequins that are floating around. Which, okay, on my sticker sheet, there's really not much I would want to use. So I'm going to go dig in. We're going to dig in the Ellie Studio embellishment stash thing I got going on over here. All right, we don't need a tag or a flower. Not quite. I still haven't done my doodly border yet. I gotta do that. Ooh, this would be a good sticker to put somewhere. I haven't glued any of this down yet, so I will always treasure this. That'll be something, that'll be good because it's like this red pink. Okay, these are all these tags. You kind of want just like a, got frames, just like a label or something. Wrong blue. I almost wonder if I should use one of these and stick it just like right on the side. Like this fave one. That would probably work. Going to cover up all my beautiful sequins that I have down over there, but that's okay. All right. Yep. Well, I'm going to just put this right to the bottom, I think, and then should I layer it up with just another color? Oh, I kind of like it just this plain. All right, I'm gonna get all this stuff glued down and get the rest of the sticker and that down. And so the only thing we didn't do is a stamp title. Oh, and do my doodly lines and hexagons. So you guys will see some close-ups here shortly. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.